And here you have the results of field measurements that have been made for this example that we have been discussing today. Here we have the point numbers, the distances that we have measured, the backside and the foresight readings, and the intermediate readings. So to calculate the heights of all these elevations, firstly, we're going to calculate the loop leveling line that we have measured, and this is the backside and the foresight readings. So for now, we are going to forget about this column, the intermediate readings. So we need to make the sum of all backside readings, the sum of all foresight readings, the sum of the measured distances. Here you can see that we have measured the length of the loop leveling line only where we have backside and foresight readings, because for the intermediate readings we cannot make any corrections. So we are going, here you need to calculate the misclosure, the allowable misclosure, and the corrections of all of the elevations that have been measured with backside and foresight readings. So the first thing here at the column of the differences, here you are going to calculate the differences between backside and foresight readings. So the first differences is going to be this backside reading to the benchmark minus the foresight reading to the point A. Depending on the sign, you're going to write the value here or here. After that, the next differences is going to be between this backside reading to point A minus this foresight reading to point 4. So here or here you need to write the value of this elevation differences according to the sign. The next one is going to be backside reading to point 4 minus foresight reading to point B. Again, you need to write this value here or here. And the last elevation difference is going to be calculated from backside reading to point B minus the foresight reading to the benchmark, and you're going to write the value here or here. Firstly, you need to fill these numbers here, 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 and here. And after that, using for height of the benchmark your faculty number, you need to calculate the heights of the points that are measured with backside and foresight readings. Of course, before that, you need to calculate the corrections for all of these elevation differences according to this equation here. And then the height of the benchmark plus the first elevation differences plus the correction is going to give us the height of point A. This height plus the next elevation difference plus the correction is going to give us the height of point 4. This this height plus the next elevation difference plus the a correction is going to give us the height of point B, and the last one, this height plus the last elevation difference plus its correction, you need to calculate again the height of the benchmark. You know from the first semester this number here and this number here, they must be absolutely the same. And if this is okay, you can continue with calculating the height of all of the points that have been measured with intermediate readings. These numbers I have marked with yellow. So these are point 1, 2, 3, and point 5 and 6. To calculate these points, firstly, we are going to need the height of the instrument at point A. I have given you the equation, and the height of point 4 here. So for the height of point 1 is going to be the height of the instrument minus the intermediate reading. Then the height of point 2 is going to be the height of the instrument minus the intermediate reading, and so on.